Hi, hope you are well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move the taskbar. By default, Windows put the taskbar at the bottom, but many of us want to move it as our need. Moving taskbar is pretty simple. For full understanding, please watch till the end. So let's begin with. First, we need to hover over our taskbar and right click on it and go to the taskbar setting by clicking it. And here you can see our taskbar settings. From here we just need to click the taskbar location on screen, and from this drop down we can choose where we want our taskbar to go. I'm choosing right, and here it is. My taskbar is on right. Now I'm going to show you the easy method. For that we just need to hover over our taskbar and right click on it, and here it is, lock the taskbar. We just need to uncheck this, and now we can move around our taskbar by simply left click on our mouse and dragging it. Now I'm going to drag the taskbar to the top, and we just need to simply release the mouse, and here it is, it stays at the top. So this is the process. If you found it helpful, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. It will help us a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting upcoming free learning videos like this one. I'll be uploading free learning videos like this one in the future. So thank you for watching.